Hey, it's Emily here from WTI. As you can see, I'm a little bit obsessed with houseplants. And if you're a fellow plant lover like me, then you know the importance of having good pest control. It's also quite a challenge to find quality products that are both effective and natural. That's why I am in love with this new plant protection from Instant Biologics. First of all, they've created a product that's so simple and easy to use. One pack comes with 4 tablets. You just drop 1 tablet in a 4-ounce spray bottle and you're ready to go. You can use this peppermint oil-based plant treatment for an infestation that's occurred, treating your plants every couple days, or as a prevention once a month or so. You simply spray on the leaves and then you can wipe off with any microfiber gloves or cloth. I love that this product has been designed and created to make sure that it's not going to be harmful for your plants in any way or your family or your pets. The design and simplicity of this product makes it easy to use and it makes it really effective. As you can see, I'm dealing with a little bit of that powdery mildew stuff on my jade plants, and this is working so well to get it under control. But no matter what you're dealing with, if it's fungus gnats or aphids or you name it, we all know the things that can infest our houseplants. This prevention or treatment is going to work to keep your houseplants healthy and the infestations at bay. This is a tool you need in your arsenal, but that's just my point of view.